For today's look, I'll be using this 3 palette. This one from JAVIA'S Place, this from ZOEVA, and this from Makeup. This one is from Revolution. So I'm going to be using this 3 palette, and this one I'm just going to take one shade from here. So I have done my brows, I have done my foundation, and just little things I'm going to touch. So today's look is just my lips and my eyes. I'm going to show you guys what I'll be using for my lips and my eyes. So I'm going to conceal my lid. So I'm just going to apply concealer on my lid. Today I want to be doing a soft pink makeup look, very soft pink. That is what I'm doing today. So I'm just going to use my brush to spread my concealer all over. I don't think I have done a soft pink look on this channel before. I've never done it, so I thought of doing that today. Why not try soft pink? So to start with, I'm going to be starting with this palette from JAVIA'S Place, and I'll be taking this shade and I'm just going to blend that all over my lid. I'm just packing that on my lid. You can see this beautiful pink shade. And I move to this palette. I'm going to take this pink here and use it to blend the upper side of it. Then I'll take another brush without anything, just blend the upper side to remove those harsh lines. This one, just to darken it a little. Took another brush so I really blend it very well. Then I'll take a flat brush like this and cut my crease. So I'm just going to take this my brush, my fluffy brush, just to like dab it like this to remove the excess concealer from it. I cut my crease a little bit higher because of the folding of my crease. When I close my eyes, you see the folding of my crease. That is why I cut it a little bit eye. So I'm going to take this brush. This brush is from JAVIA'S Place. I'm going to take this soft light pink. And I'm going to use that light shade and just press it to blend this together. I'm going back and front with the shade, the soft pink and that other dark pink. They are all soft pink anyway. Then I'll take a tiny brush like this and just press it at the corner. So let me do the other eye off camera, then I'll be right back. I'm just going to apply mascara. Then apply my falsies and I'll be right back to you guys. So guys, my lashes are on. I'm going to take this brush and take this shade here. I'm going to take this shade. I'll take a black eyeliner and line my waterline. Then I'll take the brush I used at first, then use it to blend it. And for my lip, I'm going to use this lipstick, just little of it. Oh no, I'm not using this. Then I'm going to add this nude lipstick. Oh, why am I making mistake? This is the lipstick I want. I'm going to add this. And I'm going to add a transparent lip gloss. I'm going to pass my lip liner just on top. Then I'll take the white shade with a brush. I'm just going to add that on my tear dot area. So guys, this is the final look. Please, before you go, if you like it here, don't hesitate to click on that subscribe button and that bell icon. And if you like this video, please support your girl by clicking on that like button. And I will see you guys in my next one. To my oldies, thank you so much for always being there. Bye.